Hey guys, it's me, Brian Turner from Silvertalon Incorporated. I'm starting a new series for how to spin. That's what this video is. So, I'll be teaching you how to do a power reverse. This is mainly for my team. They asked me to create videos and tutorials so that they know how to spin when I'm gone, because I'm taking with me a lot of spins. I haven't taught them yet. So yeah, I'm creating this series for them. First few notes I want to say before we start today is, if you don't have a rifle, you can use a stick or a broom. I would suggest using like something with one side that's weighted, because a rifle has a weighted side. But yeah, that's it. Now let's go ahead and get started on the power reverse. Power reverse starts from port arms. When you do a power, you just dip the tip of the rifle. You dip it, then whenever you do this initial spin for the power, it'll go around your left hand. It'll go around your left hand and you'll catch it with your right. Whenever you do it, the goal is for both hands to grab it at the same time. I'll do it again. One more. Alright, so now that you know the power, hopefully you tried it a few times, went through the video, rewind and all that. Now I'm going to show you the reverse. After you do the initial power, you do the reverse. When you do the reverse, you're starting from here. Where I do the reverse, I raise this right hand up a little bit, not all the way up here, just enough for where it can be flung. You want to fling it, because like how the power went around the left hand, the reverse goes around your right hand. That's the best way of explaining it. So you catch it back at port arms. I'm going to try to do it as slow as possible for you guys. Now both in a good amount of speed. Alright, thank you guys. Comment down below on any spins that you want me to show you next. Otherwise, I'm just going to go through a constant progression, like what spins I learned in what order. Next video is probably going to be working on the left hand. You know, the left hand. We're going to work on that spin, but until then, practice, cheap dreams, whatever. Peace out.